Today I'm changing the power steering pump on a 2008 Honda Civic. It has the 1.8 liter engine. I first started out by draining the reservoir, power steering fluid reservoir, as you can see right here, getting empty. You can get more fluid into the reservoir by having the front end raised up and moving the steering wheel all the way to the left and back to the right. Here's a diagram of the power steering pump. I used a 19mm box end wrench to remove the belt from the belt tensioner. You can either remove the belt or just put it to the side while you're working by removing the pump. I already got one of the hoses unbolted, as you can see from there. Here's a diagram of the belt for you guys. Here's a footage of the old pump leaking. I removed the two hoses. It was two 10mm bolts on this hose and one on this one. Be sure to switch out the O-rings with new ones. I had issues in the past where new O-rings leak. Here's the bottom bolt of the pump. It's hard to reach to the top one to get a view over there. I used a pry bar to pry it out the way to get access to the top one bolt. And here's the new pump installed and pretty much reverse order to install it. Please like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.